ban pentikna ya jingyat bed bat penstet ya kam ban penbha ya Madan Polo hadin ngejingkerpat jong Nongialam ga Shillong Sports Association SSA Myntri Rangbah ga jelau konrat ke sangma Ryngkat ubah ban tendor lengdo obri presiden ke SSA ulong roh kejukupor MLA nanta ubah Hamlet Sondoling obri presiden ke MFA kumjuru ki officer jong tenat ki kami lekai mentang singi kilai ban Jurip ya ketika Madan hanong ba Shillong habakran hadin ngejingpynbha ya Jurip Myntri Rangbah ulai itu da gebong bakato kene Jingpynbha kidang sateng ban pendap Henry Ulong basian on selaban pendap no hak bolo kentui ki Nongpoh lani ki kontraktor ban penkloy ya kam namar ki jingi lekai ru kindon ha kini gisingi ki bansawan bat pentip baye kene kam kebrang sateng on pendap no hapo gi khendai bat supposing ye namar ki Jingpynbha ya ketik Madan kadang sateng bat kebom syam lala ban pendap bat kanwit ya ki jingi lekai ke balabu ban sedang ha kini gisingi on dang penseng iswa Shushu Myntri Rangbah ulong ro ba ka jinglet Jurip jong ya ka Madan Polo ka longur kumsi bynta ban sungtho ya ka jingdon kam jong neng Madan ban penbha saya ki weipat ki bynta ka balong kum Jingpynbha ya ka jingwan jong National Games House nam 8000 arnyo
build the whole thing, but the blueprint should be ready from day one, so that there is no, like you're saying now, this drain is not there. It should have been planned. I mean, sorry, whoever did it, I'm not blaming anybody. I'm just saying that that's how it should be. Yes. Otherwise, it'll mess up like this one. So here also you do this. You have to do it with a master plan. Yes. You should make a master plan for this. Yes. I'm not saying we'll complete the master plan, but at least we will leave behind this master plan so that we'll do whatever we can. Maybe we'll complete 100% also. But if we cannot complete also, at least whoever will, then complete it will say that okay, this much is required. This drain needs to be there. So at least the plan will be there. No?
The other side, riverfront development from urban is also going on. So
Yes, we have visited the SSA ground on the request of the entire team from SSA. President, secretary and other members have requested, and as you can see that there is a work going on for the drainage so that the water can can easily flow out, and there's been some delay in the work because of multiple reasons. There are problems earlier we had because of which the earlier plans could not be completed, so there was a bit of an issue. So now we are trying to resolve those issues to make sure that this is completed at the earliest. As you know that the league is about to start. The season is already here, and there are more than 100 clubs that are participating. For the schedule cannot be shifted and changed too many times, and hence there is an urgency to complete this. So we have called the entire sports department, the engineers and the contractor concerned to make sure that this is completed at the earliest. They have given us a commitment that in about 8 to 9 days they'll be able to complete, and by the 9th or 10th day the actual league and the matches can start. At the same time, I've also come to see how we could improve the overall infrastructure in the stadium. As you know, this is a very, very important stadium where the heart of the football is here in Shillong, and all the clubs play out here. So therefore there is a lack of overall planned infrastructure in this area. So the members of the SSA have asked me to work out and see how we could have a master plan where we could increase the gallery, improve the overall look and the facilities around this particular stadium, so that it could become a much better setup. And of course, keeping in mind the national games also coming up, this could also be one of the venues where we could have some of the matches taking place. So that was the purpose of this visit, and as I said, we are hopeful that we'll be able to complete this. I've asked the contractor and the engineers to make sure it's done at the earliest, and at the same time to prepare a master plan so that in a phase-wise manner we can improve this overall SSA ground.
Master, there is no proper plan here.
Power plant?
Yeah, there's no proper plan. The SSA here. See, the road is on top, underground is down. During the rain season, water is come to a playground.
I mean, this is what we got. So it was, in fact, for last 7 years this was not being used. It was only in 2022-23 that after 7 years of not being used, finally we managed to complete the work. So this is what we got, In the past, of course, a lot of issues are there. I was just sharing my thoughts with our SSA members that if you look at the overall design also, each block is different. There's no uniformity in the design. There is a different seating area which looks different from the other seating areas. Even the cover is different in each area, so it doesn't look like a proper planned stadium. So there is a lot of problem, and in these kind of situations, it's even more difficult, to come up with a solution, because it's not a greenfield project; it's a brownfield project. So therefore, we are restricted by constraints, but we'll see what we can do best and try to improve the overall system infrastructure.
Kini kor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway lai arnot sau pra san sau. Lane pra lai nyo arnyo sawar riunyo. Admission open. Kapatar Kema Model Degree College, Bhoi District, ka court admission nagabenta ka BA first semester, ka lat bahajan nagabenta ki samla pule, nagabenta ki jingtip ki babanya, phun hau number, pra iwe lai iwe pranot san ar khandai not, lani pra lai nyo not prasan riu khandai san. Pidon kam projector ban pani film, ne pidon kam projector nagabenta ki awareness program jongpi, phun singi ni ai wai shapi. Pran nyo lai iwe, khandai riu iwe ar nyo lai.